High hopes of a spectacular climax to the season were blown off course by high winds sweeping across the Las Vegas Motor Speedway. The start of the race was brought forward to try to ensure a full day's racing, and the initial signs during the round of 14 were promising, not least for the home crowd.
We are racing in Las Vegas. These conditions are by far the most testing of the season.
First, Texan Kirby Chambliss flew his best time of the week, fastest of all on the day.
Kirby has given them what they've come for.
Then his fellow American, Mike Goulian, threw caution to the winds to set a new track record, more than a second quicker than Chambliss.
Oh, that is good. That is really good. And two of the American pilots go through.
But as Nigel Lamb was preparing to enter the track in his final race, the weather turned for the worse. World champion Matthias Doldra was also left waiting and hoping the winds would calm and racing could resume. But the Nevada desert was in no mood to relent, and race director Jim DiMatteo was left with no option but to cancel the session.
Unfortunately, today our winds were in excess of what we could handle to safely conduct our race at Las Vegas. So we've had to cancel the Las Vegas Red Bull Air Race. We tried very hard to complete this. It was everybody's desire, but the winds and the winds gusts were in excess of what we could do to safely manage the race.
That left Doldra to enjoy the biggest cheer of the weekend when he received the 2016 World Championship trophy.